How to mount a Cocoweb photosensor for barn lights. Apply Teflon tape clockwise to the threaded end of the light arm to ensure a secure, airtight connection. Run the cord of the barn light shade through the arm. Then, thread the arm onto the shade, hand tight. Feed the cord through the front opening of the sensor base, pulling any excess through the back. Place the shade arm into the hole on the sensor base. Connect the blue and brown sensor wire to the blue and brown wire from the shade cord. Set the switch to photosensor or PIR. Position the sensor base over the installation surface. Mark the 3 screw holes. Ensure the installation location provides at least 2 feet of unobstructed space around all sides of the light. The photosensor eye will have to be positioned upwards. Using the 1/4 drill bit to drill holes about 1 inch deep and place an anchor into each hole. Place the rubber gasket on the back of the base and connect the neutral or white cable and live or black cable and ground wires into the input wiring. Screw the base on over the anchors with the sensor facing upwards. That is how you mount a Cocoweb motion sensor base.